Okay, what's up guys? So I'm gonna help you guys to be able to make some money with Binance. So Binance has a referral program what you can enter. So I'm gonna take you through to it so that we can be able to get onto it. So I'll just have to log in first so that I can show you guys what is exactly I'm talking about, because this is a really cool thing. The only thing you have to do is just register yourself, make a video or post it on Instagram or Facebook or wherever you can, so that you can get it to as many people as possible, so that they can be able to click on your link and start making money. So I'm just going to log in on my account right now, and then I can show you how we can do this, but I'm gonna skip this part for you so that you're going to see me when I'm already inside. Alright guys, so we are inside right now. So there are a few things we have to just check. So the only thing we have to do, we just have to scroll down all the way. Then there's this part here says a referral, and then you click on to this one, and it's going to take you onto this page. And when you get onto this page, it's going to show you something like this right here. So it's going to give me a referral ID and a referral link right here. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to copy my link right here. So what is going to happen, I will receive 20% on each and every friend that is going to use my link to whatever trades that you're gonna be having onto this platform called Binance. So I'm going to copy my link. So I'm going to go and put it somewhere safe onto my clipboard. So I'm gonna put it on my notepad right here. So I said Binance link. So that I can come back to it later, and then I can create my YouTube videos so that I can actually put it right there on it. So I'm going to save this one, and we're going to come back to it later. Alright, okay, let's see. Okay, let's save it. Okay, so now it's saved. It's going to it shows me here I don't have anyone signed up yet, and this is what the percentage I'm going to receive. So that's it guys on getting your link. So what are you actually going to do with the link once you got it? Once you got the link, what you have to do, you're probably gonna have to put it on your Twitter or Instagram or Facebook, or even the better one is YouTube. If you got a YouTube channel, you can do all these videos and you can actually put it right there. So there are so many people who are actually making a good money out of this referrals link. So you can actually get to learn all about that, and then you can get to make some money with Binance. So that's it, guys, on getting the link. So it's as easy as that, and I think that's it for this one, guys. So I would like you guys, if you actually like the video, if you actually got something out of it, and then like it, and definitely subscribe on the channel so that you can see me when I show you how much I got on that link, so that I can show you my referral links that are going to come out of this video. Maybe it's gonna take some few months for me to actually make some money on it, and as well as you, if you push it hard, and then you will definitely make some money with this, guys. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe so that we can grow this channel into something great, guys. I will see you on the next one. Ciao ciao.